Did you see what happened? Oh my god. I jumped. Like, he was trying to make me like weave through the turns and I jumped. You need to watch it.
Okay.
Hey everyone, it's Amber and I'm back here with another video, and this time we have a special guest, my dad, Uribe. So excited to be out here. We're at the Port of Brownsville. This is the first time that I'm actually riding on something other than like a flat surface. So I'm super excited to be out here and learn from him. He has done so many things for supercross, motocross, and I'm so excited to learn some new skills.
Well, we're just going to practice some turns, some riding on the flat surfaces, clutch control, throttle control, turning abilities, using clutch and throttle control, going up and down the hills, using, again, clutch and throttle control and balance. So all that with a combination of riding will improve her skills and bring back skills that I probably lost. But other than that, we're just out here to have a good time. I haven't been out here at the port in years. This is a place where I used to practice a lot for pre-race day, pre-race weekend back in the day. And so now my daughter is kind of taking those steps now, and I don't know if she's going to race or not, but at least if she does decide to, she will have the skills to, and proper training.
It's okay, I got it. I got it. Okay. All right.
The only reason you fell here is because you didn't follow through and go all the way through it.
Yeah.
You slowed down and you sunk. Okay?
Damn it.
This is where throttle control. Get on the bike.
I get on?
Get on. Lean it towards you to the left.
Can I just walk it out of here?
Nope. Get on. You're going to learn. Now lean it more towards your left where you have more control. And then start it.
Okay.
Okay. Let your clutch out and just go through.
Okay.
Don't be afraid.
No, I got it.
Okay.
I feel good.
Give it gas, give it gas, give it gas, give it gas, give it gas.
We're good.
The power band is longer than a 2-stroke for each gear because it's 4-stroke.
Yeah.
Because you don't shift as much.
Right.
But yeah, the power is there.
It's awesome out there. It's really cool. Who set all those bumps up? Like,
It's natural.
Really?
Natural terrain.
That's amazing.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
This is weather we'd ride in all day long.
Okay.
I mean, it's not pouring. It's just drizzly, and it's already stopped.
Yeah.
So you ready for your second round?
All right, I'm standing on the bike. Come on, no wipeouts today. No wipeouts today. Oh shit. Can't do that. All of the speed amber squeezed me. Oh yeah, feeling good. In second gear. Probably gonna stay here. No, I think I hit the...
It's all right. You're going to get bumps and bruises either way. But that was not bad. You handled that pretty well.
Holy...
I thought you were going to follow me, you know.
It was real... I can't... I don't think I can turn, like...
Okay.
Curve yet.
All right. Okay. That's okay. But you did...
I did...
Good, man, without any training.
Oh my god. I did the jump, right?
Yeah.
Oh
yes,
my god. Did you see me fly? I flew.
Mom wasn't seeing.
Oh my god. That was crazy. Did you see what happened? Oh my god.
There's a big ass hill in there, I know that.
I jumped.
You jumped?
I jumped.
Where?
Like, he was trying to make me like weave through the turns and I jumped. You need to watch it.
Okay.